Finally, an upgrade I'm gonna love. Stay tuned.
Oxygenics reached out to us and asked us if we'd be interested in trying one of their shower heads and do a review for them.
Kind of a no-brainer.
They asked us which one we'd like to try, and Judy chose the Fury RV. It comes in 3 different colors. It comes in chrome, white, and the one that we picked out was the brushed nickel. Well, we're kind of doing an unboxing for you. If I can get the thing out of the box. Here we go, get the box out. Then what comes in it, there's a 72-inch hose that comes with it. There's a wall mount that has the screws for the wall mount, some tape. It does come with plumber's tape also, and then the handle. Okay, there's 5 flow settings, including 1 oxygenic setting. The oxygenic setting increases the pressure with getting 1.8 gallons per minute will increase the pressure to 80 psi. There's a lever on the back of the shower head that shuts off the water coming through so that you can shut it off once you're wet, and you can increase the pressure all the way to full force. There's a rubber finger grip so that you don't lose control of it. Brushed nickel looks really nice also. I think it was a really good choice. We'll go ahead and install the thing, and we'll show you a little bit of a difference. This is our original shower head. I'll show you what we got going on here. This is what we got for pressure. I don't know if you can see that or not. Oop, I just shot my foot. Okay, the first thing we have to do is we need to remove this holder to put the new holder in place. So this is the wall mount for the shower head, and this part comes off of it, and there's 2 screw holes in it, and there's double-sided tape that you can put on it. Double-sided tape that we put on it from 3M. And you can see in the shower where the other wall mount was. We're going to put the top hole in that top hole up there. We may put another hole in there because these holes aren't going to line up. We're going to put it in the top. But with the double-sided tape and the screw, we'll see how sturdy it is and see if it's necessary to put the other screw in. Okay, so we put the top screw in the hole that was already in place, and then we went and put a pilot hole in and put a second screw into the bottom part so that it's on there really good and strong. It's not going to come down off of there. And it's got the 3M double-sided tape behind it. Okay, then what we have to do is take the hose off of the top of our water faucet. As you can see there. Okay, that's one.
Like I said, Oxygenics sent this to us, so we are very grateful to get the opportunity to try this out. We're not fully hooked up. We're just up on a garden hose to our at my mom's house right now, so I don't think we have full pressure on there. It's going to be nice when we're boondocking that we can have the Oxygenics feature, so we're not using as much water, so we can take a little better showers when we are done hiking. And we may have to wash the dog a few times too now. I did pick this one, the Fury RV, because it does have that hand grip on it. And I know my mom is going to be traveling with us, so I figured for her to be using the shower, it would be easier for her. And if I have to assist her, it's definitely easier to hold on to it and it doesn't slip out of your hand. Like we showed you, it's got the 5 different settings. Only one of them is the Oxygenic settings. which mixes it with the oxygen, so you're using the less water and you get a better pressure. We can't give you a full trial because right now we don't have any hot water, so I'm not gonna do a shower in a cold, freezing cold shower to tell you what it's actually like. I'm sure we're gonna love it because we were gonna upgrade this in our camper this year anyway. So like I said, we were very thankful that Oxygenics reached out to us and gave us this to try. And like I said, I'm sure we're gonna love it. I know they also have a pet shower that they have in their website, so you might want to check that out too. But if you have any other questions, comments, leave them down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you guys on the next video. Bye.